If you're ever in Spain, you may want to
P.
listen to this story keenly.
Tired of watching those noisy news channels on TV?
Well, you've come to the right place. If you don't mind some weird travel news.
Welcome to this edition of Off the Beat because the nation wants to know these things.
If you're ever planning to visit Spain, you may want to take note of a story number 5.
Going to the restroom in Spain is a slight challenge because they've come up with an innovative way to differentiate the male and female loo by painting flamingos on it.
Thanks to a tourist who figured this out the hard way, turns out the male toilet has a flamingo with a hat painted on the door.
Speaking of toilets, story number 4 will teach you to never look down upon your poop, literally and metaphorically.
A British Airways flight was flying from Dubai to London, but 40 minutes into the flight, shit got real.
So one of the loos on the flight was stinking so badly, to such an extent that the smell engulfed the whole flight.
And the pilot had to turn the flight back, quoting health and safety reasons.
That's a shitty flight if I've ever heard of one. Moving on to story number 3. Now customer service is a very big thing today, but this hotel in Mongolia doesn't think so.
So, a guest staying at the hotel discovered to his horror that the customer suggestion box is actually a paper shredder.
Gotta give it to the hotel for keeping it real, right?
Absolutely. What do you think people in Korea watch most online?
According to recent statistics, the one thing that Koreans love watching online is videos of people eating.
They even have a name for this, and it's called Mook Bum. It's nothing but food porn in the literal sense.
And now here's some travel porn for you. Here's the picture of the week. Story number 1 is about cab rides. Now, I'm sure all of us have weird cab stories to share, right?
Well, apparently, cab rides in Panama are a whole different level of weird.
A tourist was traveling by taxi, but his driver suddenly got distracted in the highway because he spotted an iguana.
You'd think he was a nature freak, but no, the driver decided to get off the car and stalk the iguana.
The passenger looked down in shock as the driver managed to catch the iguana only to take it home like a Thanksgiving turkey.
Yikes. So if you want to find out how the iguana tasted, you may want to share, subscribe, like and comment on this video and you may just find out.
Stay tuned.
Thank you.